Weather headline today on this Friday, the first hurricane of the Atlantic hurricane season. Hurricane Beryl churning in the Atlantic Ocean right now.
That's right. Meteorologist Shay Ryan just got some new data on the storm and has that now for us. So Shay, do you think it will get even stronger?
I do think it has a potential to get stronger, but then it will get torn apart really quickly. So as fast as it is going to organize and strengthen here over the next 24 hours, it will start to get torn apart equally as fast. So what we're seeing right now is a pretty disorganized storm, but it is packing 80-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds as it is headed in the direction of the Lesser Antilles. So it may get up to about 90-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds, possibly a Cat 2 storm. But then once it starts moving over the islands and then starts to interact with some very strong upper-level winds, and this is late on Sunday and into Monday, it will really start to get torn apart. And by the time it gets around the Dominican Republic to Puerto Rico, it looks like it will start to come back down to about tropical storm status, but at that point may lose its tropical characteristics. The bottom line is, even though it's headed in our general direction, this is not a storm that we really need to concern ourselves with. At a maximum, it looks like we could get some extra rainfall out of it, or out of the energy that is left as this system deteriorates, but that would be a best case scenario. And as we take a look at tropical depression number 3 that has now formed in the Atlantic, again, not very well defined, but this storm could end up becoming Chris over the next 24 to 48 hours. It is going to linger here off of the coast of the Carolinas, and it could churn up the seas, will likely churn up the seas, and they could get some heavier rainfall along the coast or the outer banks of North Carolina here into the weekend.